Hello! Welcome to a tutorial video showing how to register for IPUMS PMA. This tutorial will show you how to create a free account with IPUMS PMA. From the home page, click the Register button. Before going to the application form, which is in English, you can open this link to find a French translation of the form. When you're ready to start the application, click Register for IPUMS PMA. Enter your information into the required fields. We prefer if you use your professional or institutional email address rather than your personal email. The research description should describe what you plan to do with the data and why you have selected the countries that you did. You can always browse the variables and samples on the website before you create an account for a better idea of what data are available. Then, you can select the countries that you would like access to. You must check each box to acknowledge that you agree to our terms and conditions of use. Then, hit Submit. We will review your application and you will receive an email to let you know if we have approved your application. This may take a few days. Once you have received an approval email, then you can log onto the website and download data through our online data dissemination system. If your account has already been approved, but you would like to have access to additional countries, go to our website and log in. Then, go to Account. Click Update Country Selection. Add the new countries you would like access to. Then update your research description to tell us how you plan to use the data from the additional countries. You will need to agree to the terms and conditions again for the new country data. Your updated application will again be reviewed, and if the increased access is granted, you will receive an email. You will then be able to download the data from the additional countries through the online data dissemination system. Thank you for your interest in IPUMS PMA. Use it for good, never for evil.